In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy a phone number inside of Hushed mobile app. So the first thing you need to do is open up your smartphone device, and then from here you'll need to install Hushed. From here you'll just need to open it like you usually would, like so. And once you get inside of here, it should bring something like this. Here you'll just need to log in or sign up for an account like you usually would with any other service. And then from here you'll need to click on Add Number. Once you click that, you'll be able to select a country, and as you can see you can also start a free trial, but from here you'll simply need to click either one of the US, Canada, United Kingdom or Puerto Rico. From here you can just click United States for example, and from here you can find every single state that Hush supports. Now from here let's just choose California, and from here you have all of these telephone numbers that you can choose from, and you can just choose the specific one. Now from here you can choose the subscription you want to pay for. You can either add a subscription, a prepaid, or pay as you go. From here you'll just need to choose the specific one that is suitable for you. Just click on it and just click buy now for, let's say, $12 here. From here, once that is done, you'll be able to get a notification out here that it has been successfully bought. And then you can use the mobile phone number to get and receive telephone messages or phone numbers or phone. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!